आप बीएससी सीएसडीए का कोर्स आईआईटी पटना से कर रहे हैं तो वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड. Hi everyone, my name is Shruti and I am pursuing this degree also, and right now I am in a third semester and I have a experience of 1 year of this degree. So आज मैं आप लोगों को कोर्स से रिलेटेड कुछ वीडियो रिकमेंड करना चाहूँगी जिसे आप इजीली यूज़ करके कोर्स को लर्न कर सकते हैं.
In first semester, you have a CDA 101 mathematics course where you have to be learn more about the probability. And so I recommend you Statistics and Probability 2.0 created by Dr. Gajendra Prohit. Okay, and here you should be clear your concept in easily way. Okay, and CDA 103 Foundation of Computer Science is a very important course, and you can follow this YouTube channel Python tutorial for beginners in Hindi complete Python course. It is recently created by a code with Harry, and they will be teach you in all from zero to advanced level of all the things. And here you should be create a project. This is a very important way of learning that you should be learn from here. Okay, for CDA 105 Foundation of Data Analytics, you can follow a data analysis with Python created by Free Code Camp. They can teach you in easily way how you should be collect and organize and visualize the data using a Python libraries of pandas, matplotlib and numpy. So these are very important libraries to learn it. You can follow these also videos from here. So up right now I am telling you about for second semester of CDA 106 course of numerical method for data science, where you have to be learn most of time here about a linear algebra, which is a very important topics. So for that I will be recommend you this video, which is a very important for you learn about a linear algebra from a code camp. Here it will be teach you in a very smooth way, and you want to learn a linear algebra in different concept way, then I will be recommend you this video. You want to learn a Matlab code in easily way, then you should be follow this playlist which is created by Dr. Harsh Garg, where the 57 videos are available for learning a Matlab. So you can easily way you should be learn from here Matlab. Okay. In CDA 104, you should be taught about data structure algorithm by using a Python language, and so you can follow this YouTube playlist of Gate Smasher from basic of DSA. It will be started and go for advanced level of some DSA part. Okay, you can follow it, and you can easily learn the concept from here. And this video is all in Hindi format, then it will be help you in a lot way.
If you want this type of video, then hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos.